Today, we're going to be launching some campaigns for a client who's just signed up with us at Gummy Growth. So this is going to be showing you exactly how we launch our campaigns, what settings we use, what the creatives look like, what our forms look like, everything so that you can do it yourself if you'd like. We have a lot of creatives to launch, so let's hop into the ads manager and get started. We're going to create, click leads, because that's what we want from this campaign. Manual leads campaign here. Here, we're actually going to name the campaign the name of the practice. And then we're going to scroll down quickly to turn on Advantage Campaign Budget. Now, the reason that I'm turning this on is because we have a lot of creatives to test. All right, we're going to be testing 50 plus creatives with this client for this first launch. Okay, if you do not have upwards of 25, 30 creatives, you don't need to use this. You can use ad set budget, but for us, we use CBO so that we can test more effectively. And this also gives us the option to scale the creatives that are working without changing a whole bunch of settings or having the ad sets burn out or anything like that. We're going to set our budget here as well. So we have ours set at 50 a day just to start off. We typically get it up to around 125, 150 a day once the client actually starts getting results. All right. Here, we're going to change the name of our ad set to the name of our offer. Okay. So for us, Imagine Your Smile is one of them. We have 4 of them that we're going to launch today. Okay. Instant forms, make sure you aren't on instant forms and Messenger. This is going to give you people messaging you on Facebook. In my experience, this is less effective in the dental niche, at least. Okay. We do not want dynamic creative on. Down in here in location, you want to set it as the location of the practice. Okay. Now, if you're doing this for yourself, one thing to keep in mind is that you don't want patients traveling more than 25 minutes. For us, right now, we're going to set it to something simple. We're going to set it to about 10 kilometers outside of the practice's location. Okay, so now we have all of our settings. What we're going to do is we're going to quickly go into the ad here. So here, we're actually just going to name this 1. Really simple stuff, 1. So in here is where we're going to put our copy. Okay, we use the same copy for essentially every client. We just change the name of the brand and maybe the name of the patient in the testimonials. But here we're going to just paste our copy, which is unbeatable Invisalign offer, transform your smile. You can start with a free consultation, no hidden costs. Don't miss out on this excellent deal. Book now and save big. #SmileConfident. Okay. In the headline, we're also going to summarize a little bit of what's in the actual primary text. So click here to get your free scan. Okay. And then you'll be able to select the emoji you want to use. Okay. Here we always click learn more. Seems to work for us. It's just what I always did. So what we're going to do here is we're actually going to create a form. This way you'll be able to see the exact process and all the questions that you need to have. So here we're going to name this the name of the practice. Okay. Intro, headline, we're going to say, hi, please fill out this info to book your consult. In additional details, we're going to enter, we will use this info in your appointment. Okay, in questions, we're going to add a question. We're going to add a multiple choice. Are you available in the next 5 days for your appointment? Question mark. Yes, no. Then we're going to add a short answer question, which is, which private health fund are you with? Now we're going to go down to the pre-fill questions and we're going to have to enter a description. We will use this info to contact you. We're going to add a category in contact fields, which is phone number. Okay. And then we got full name, email, phone number. That's pretty much all that we need in terms of description. We have which private health fund they're with, are you available in the next 5 days? After that, we don't really need any more info to book them in because we're still going to give them a call. Here, we're going to click next. In the privacy policy section, we're actually going to look up Facebook privacy policy. We're going to copy the link to this, paste it in here, and we're just going to say privacy policy and click next. Now, in the headline for the end form, we're actually going to get rid of this and we're going to say, thanks for your application. We'll be in contact soon. Then in the description, we're going to say, if you want to call us directly, please click below to book your consult. Full stop, and then I always add a smiley face. Click call business. In phone number, we're going to change the country code to Australia, and then in here, we're actually going to paste the phone number of the business, okay? So now we're done with this form. We can click create form. Great. Now we have a form. Select that form on this ad set before you duplicate it, before you do anything else. What we're going to do now is we're going to start adding the creatives. In here, we actually have 13 videos, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first one, click next, 1-to-1. Make sure that this Make sure that this fits, crop it, make sure that it doesn't look too strange for what we're doing right here. Then click confirm. The 16:9 one, there's just not much you can do. Put it on their face. That's what I do. Then here, we're all good to go. So click next. All optimizations, I don't really care. I leave it on. Makes no difference, seemingly. We're going to duplicate this creative 12 times. So now the creative is uploaded. You can see our dentist here. So we're going to click these 3 little buttons here. Click duplicate, original campaign, and we're going to click 12 times, okay? Duplicate. Give us 12 ad sets. 1 copy, 1 copy, 1 copy. You can see. So what we're going to do in here now is we're going to quickly go through and just rename all the ad sets. So that way we know where we're actually at when we're using them. So this can be 2. This can be 3. This can be 4. And so on. And we'll keep doing this for all the ad sets. All right, so now all these creatives are actually named and we have them organized. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through and click on number 2. Now this is going to depend on how many creatives you have, how many you need to duplicate. But if you're testing just 1 per ad set or something like that, that's fine. Just do 1. For us, we're testing a lot. So we're going to go through and quickly go back to this folder and click number 2. Now we're going to repeat this for the next 12, and then we're going to move on to the next ad set. Okay, so I've just finished now uploading the rest of the creatives. So you can see here, we've got video 1, personality 1, testimonial 1, and imagine your smile. So this is the process that we go through. I'm gonna press the X here, click publish all items. Here, we're gonna wait for this to publish. But here you can see we've got 55 videos launched. That's the end of this tutorial. That's me showing everything that we do to actually launch our ads and how we test them. So if you're interested in getting some more information, I actually have a free Discord server down below. You can click it and join up. It's completely free. We're probably in the voice chat right now.